from the studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10, powered by Star Health Insurance.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Is the left government in the state of Kerala giving a very long rope to the Popular Front of India, the PFI, and its political wing, the SDPI, which is accused of hacking a young RSS worker? Tonight, there is evidence that shows inaction by the police minutes before the murder. Here are the SDPI tapes, and then we debate.
26-year-old Nandu, an RSS worker from Alapura, was hacked to death on Wednesday. The police has confirmed it was a political murder and 8 SDPI workers have been arrested. The tapes from the day of the crime have raised some serious questions. Watch this CCTV footage from 24th of February, minutes before the murder. A police van can be seen on patrolling duty. And this tape, shot minutes before the crime, shows provocative slogans being raised by SDPI workers in presence of police.
I am right now at the very spot where the murder took place, where the hacking of the RSS worker took place, and right now at Nagamkola, it's a very bad scene. Now what is also very important is that the murder weapon has also, you can see some of the weapons are also here. You can see one of the machete is right over here.
Eyewitnesses have revealed that the entire crime was pre-planned with political motives.
SDPI Popular Front പ്രവർത്തകർ വകവരുത്തിയത്. ഭൂരിഭാഗം ആൾക്കാരും പുറത്തുനിന്നുള്ളവരായിരുന്നു. വയലാറിൻ്റെ ഗ്രാമപ്രദേശങ്ങളിൽ നിന്ന് 4 പേരോളം SDPI പ്രവർത്തകർ മുഴുവനായിട്ട് വയലാറിലുള്ളൂ. ബാക്കിയുള്ള ഈ കൊലപാതകത്തിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് പുറത്തുനിന്ന് ആൾക്കാരെ കൊണ്ടുവന്നിട്ടാണ് ഇവർ ചെയ്യിപ്പിച്ചത്. പള്ളിയിൽ നിന്നാണ് ഇതിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള വാളും കാറിൽ നിന്നുമാണ് ഇവരെടുത്ത് സപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തത്.
So has the SDPI been given long rope by the left government?
I feel that there's a failure on the part of state government, and this case should be handed over to NIA so that people who have committed an offence of this nature are brought to justice.
With more evidence against the political wing of the PFI, is it time to ban both SDPI and PFI? Let's debate.
Welcome everyone. Sanju Verma, Ratan Sharda, Shantanu Gupta, Binay Singh, Taslim Rahmani, Atikur Rahman, Advocate Asghar Khan and Syed Asad Abbas. Now, I'd like to start with Ratan Sharda versus Taslim Rahmani of the PFI. Ratan Sharda, who supports the RSS, and Taslim Rahmani of the PFI are on the debate. Ratan Sharda, our question to Taslim Rahmani of the PFI will be that they say they are a political party when it is convenient to them. They say they are a socio-cultural organization when it is convenient to them. Pardon me? What did you say? Taslim Rahmani, you said something. Please clarify.
I am the National Secretary of SD. I am the National Secretary of SDPI, not PFI.
Which has no relation with PFI? Do you mean to say you have no relation with PFI?
No.
And I am of the view there is no difference between the SDPI and the PFI.
So are you going to condemn the violence?
You are entitled to your
Are
view,
you
but
going to
I am
condemn the
clearing my
killing of
position.
RSS volunteer if you
Yes,
are
I
not
do
with
condemn.
PFI?
Of
No,
course.
are you with the PA? If you are not with PFI, are you going to condemn the
every
violence
kind
against the
of
RSS?
violence. Yes.
So now he opens the mouth. He shows his
I
alliance with
condemn
the
the violence
PFI.
unleashed by
You
the
say
RSS
something,
people.
behave in a
It was
different
the
manner.
RSS people who came.
I will speak
with
only if I am
lathis, with
allowed a
rods,
peaceful
with,
time.
lethal
I will
weapons.
not keep on
It is the
shouting with this
RSS.
gentleman. Let him keep on
Hundred of RSS workers
complicating his own
attacked
life.
the peaceful
I will
SDPI
speak
rally.
Arnab only when I am allowed to speak peacefully.
They have burned a shop of Mr. Zulfikar.
I have started the debate today with visual evidence. I have started the debate today. The volume need to be increased. I have started the debate today, Tasneem Rahmani, with strong visual evidence. And in the evidence we have shown that there are all the members of the SDPI who are saying to the RSS worker Nandu Krishna, they are saying, Ratan Sharda, you will not be able to reach your home to meet your mother.
No, but
You will not be able to reach your home to meet your mother.
This is a very selective.
This
This was a threat issued by the SDPI people who have been arrested now to the RSS worker who is 26 years old.
Normal behavior of these PFI supporting extremists will be that these are doctored videos. I want to ask a few questions, Sir Rahmani. Will you allow me to ask a few questions? My first question, since you don't allow me to speak, my first question, do you think Kerala has already become Darul Islam, where Hindus cannot take out their morchas, where Yogi Adityanath, the CM of UP, cannot visit because you don't like him? Is it a place where RSS cannot work because you believe in Darul Islam?
That is your
Tell me.
typical and
And when you took out when your PFI people took out the morcha, did you condemn the morcha where the RSS localized was taken in chains? Did police take any action?
There is nothing like Darul
Mr.
Islam.
SDPI,
We are living in a
if you want to listen to the
democratic
argument, listen to the
setup and we will
argument.
continue with that
Don't keep on
democratic setup.
shouting. I can also shout.
We are
Are you
fighting to
saying
safeguard our
that I
constitution,
cannot
which
organize
is
myself
secular
in Kerala
and
because Darul
socialist
Islam?
constitution?
Are you
There
saying
is
that
no
police was
question.
with
It is
you when they were making this
fighting for a
naked
Hindu
dance
Rashtra,
of violence
not us.
in the
It is
morcha
you
where
who
police
are
stood
fighting
very
for a Hindu
quietly?
Rashtra, not
It
me,
reminded me of
not
Mobla
SDPI.
1921.
You
Are
look-
you going to
look at
say
you.
that you're trying to
Look
bring
at
back
you.
Malabar violence
No.
of 1921 back on the Kerala streets?
1921 was
Are you
the Mobla
saying
Kranti for
that
the
there
freedom
will
of
be no
this
action?
country?
Are
It
you
is you who
denying
want to
that
to
your
convert
Congress,
the country
your
into a
Muslim
Hindu
League,
Rashtra?
your Communist
It's
Party
you who is
stood
propagating
together
and professing the ideology
to get bail
of
for
Hindi,
Asad
Hindu
Madani,
Rashtra.
who was the prime
It's you.
accused
Ratan
in
Sharda, look at you.
Coimbatore bomb blast
Can you deny?
because you
Can you
love
deny?
terrorists,
Can you
because you
deny
love
that you
bombers,
belong to the
because you
ideology of
love
Hindi,
these
Hindu
people who
Rashtra?
believe that only Islamists have a right to stay in this world.
Tell the
Any
viewers of
non-believer,
Republic,
any
don't you
kafir
believe?
is
Don't you believe in
fit to be
propagate
killed,
Hindu Rashtra?
fit to be slaughtered. That is our philosophy. Try to deny this. Are you
No,
trying to
you
deny
tell me.
that you
Now
don't believe
you
in Darul
are-
Islam and Darul
आपके धाम में
Alam?
आप
You
फंस
tell
गए
me
हैं,
this.
रतन
Are you
शारदा.
saying that?
We are not for the Darul Islam or
that
Darul Alam.
Constitution or Sharia
You are
which is
for Hindu
superior?
Rashtra.
Tell me.
You are
Don't
for
come
Hindu
here
Rashtra.
like a
You
hypocrite
don't want to see
and
a
try to
secular
defend
and
those
socialist fabric
violent
of
people.
India.
You
You
are
want
the
to break
umbrella
the country
under
on the
which
religious
Marxists
line.
and everyone
I come to you now with this.
Hindus and persecute
Did
them in
the
Kerala.
SDPI
Don't deny that.
95 years
Every
now.
evidence against you,
It
but
is
you will say
95
evidence is
years that
doctored.
you are
You will
spreading the
say
veil of the
that
country.
I think the matter is very serious, and after
hacking
all,
a
we are
person
talking
of
about the
death.
killing of a young man. So, if we can please hear each other.
Only police
The CCTV footage from the 24th of February, Muhammad Aslam and Sanju. The CCTV footage from the 24th of February, minutes before the murder, a police van was on patrolling duty. The question will be whether the police deliberately did not act despite being on the scene. There are some very incriminating facts that are now coming out. And did the police deliberately look the other way? Did the police deliberately look the other way? Why should we not ask these questions? There's a question of stockpiling of weapons. Muhammad Aslam, most importantly, let me tell you, let's get the others in. Sanju Verma and Muhammad Aslam, please. How did the killing happen? A political party which is officially killing Those who it sees are its political rivals. And Syed Aslam, one more point I want to add here. There was a tableau march recently. Syed Abbas, tableau march. There was a Popular Front of India Day 2021 and the location is Chellari in Kerala. I wish I could show the pictures here. There is a depiction of PFI members dragging RSS workers through the streets. In other words, the PFI is openly advocating killing and violence against RSS members. Following this, an RSS young man from the RSS is killed. The CCTV footage now emerges, and this person is not from the PFI, the person is from the SDPI. Stop shouting Taslim Rahmani. Stop shouting Taslim Rahmani, you will not be able to stop me. And this is a political party which is doing it. Why don't you have the courage to ask Taslim Rahmani today to stop camouflaging himself as a politician? He's trying to camouflage himself as a politician. If you have the courage, ask him. But do you, Syed Asad Abbas? Ask him and then I'll get Sanju in. Ask him.
Yes, sir. Worker of the country.
Ask him.
A quick point let me derive. Certainly, Mr. Taslim Rahmani will answer it accordingly. But the real question here is, Arnab, time and again we do hear incidents about PFI, SDPI, so on and so forth. The fact of the matter is, my actual question is to Sanju Verma ji. Sanju Verma ji, even before 2014, your government came into power. I heard you and many other national spokespersons of your party saying that when we come into power, we will ban the PFI. Why, ma'am, are you going back on your word? Like Siddaramaiah, a leader of the Congress party here in Karnataka, former Chief Minister of Karnataka, said, PFI is the B team of Bharatiya Janata Party. That is the reason why you will never ban them. Why do you want to vote for the Supreme Court ban? Supreme Court never ordered for a ban. Your party, you are parroting the lines time and again. Why don't you ban the PFI?
Let me come in now.
Are you?
Let me come in now.
Colluded with the PFI?
Yes.
Is PFI a part of the BJP?
Let me now come in. You made your point. You made your point. Now stop repeating yourself time and again. Mr. Abbas,
you have repeated yourself a lot of times. You have repeated of the same that you'll ban the PFI. Ban
yes,
the PFI.
So now please.
You can repeat. Why
no, just let me answer your question. This is a serious debate.
You ban the PFI.
This is a serious debate. Don't make it so superfluous. Let's come to the point.
It's not about being superfluous.
You raised a
it's
very
about doing your duty.
Point. Why
Stop
is the
being
PFI not being banned?
Start keeping your words.
Please don't give me a bhashan on my duty or the BJP's duty. Now please listen. Stop giving me a lecture. I'm not here to listen to your bhashan. Get that loud and clear. Or not, can you please ask this man to keep quiet? Stop heckling me.
Stop doing.
Fine, you continue.
And keep your promises.
Fine, continue.
Why don't you keep your promises?
Fine, continue.
Not just me, every citizen of this country is asking a question today.
Gibberish.
We will question you.
I'm not here to listen to your unadulterated gibberish. Now keep quiet and
why don't you want to talk? Why don't you want to talk? A 26-year-old RSS worker has been hacked to death by the SDPI. Why don't you want to talk about that? Why are you avoiding that subject?
Not at all, Arnab.
You're clinically trying to avoid the subject. I'm observing it.
Let me take your
None of you want to talk about the reality. Mohammad Asghar Khan will come in next, but I think she has a right to reply. Sanju Verma. Sanju Verma has a right to reply.
Any form of violence is condemned, no doubt.
Arnab, what is the subject today? Whether it's a debate against the Islam?
Arnab, can you please... Let me have my say. Is it necessary to be heckled all the time?
What is this?
No, we are debating about the killing of an RSS worker by the SDPI.
Today I failed to understand whether
the killing of an RSS worker by the SDPI. The killing of the RSS worker by the SDPI. That's the subject.
But
thank you for asking.
Everybody is remarking, passing sentence against the Islam. It's a debate not against the Islam. Come to the topic.
Why is it that the moment I start speaking...
No, Sanju Verma is on the debate. Sanju Verma, please. Mohammad Asghar, now Sanju Verma, let her come in, please.
This is not a political murder. This was a political statement given by the state president of BJP.
Fine, you continue speaking.
Just
I will not get into this heckling match every time.
Against
this
the
is absolutely
others.
unfair.
It's a strategy of the election. Yes, you declare the election.
Fine. Continue. You can continue with your monologue.
Did the RSS worker get himself killed because of the election? How ridiculous is that? Article will come into the debate, but first Sanju Verma has the right to reply. Sanju Verma now, please. She's been waiting. To be fair, she's been waiting. To be fair, she's been waiting.
Arnab, hear me.
To be fair, she's been waiting.
This is a matter of investigation.
So is Shantanu and he's still waiting.
How today you can take a stand?
The SDPI workers are the killers.
Stand unless the matter should not be investigated by the police. It should be investigated by the police. And
I don't understand what kind of a debate is.
I will take whatever stand I want to. You are nobody to advise me. Sanju Verma. Sanju Verma is on the debate. Sanju Verma. Please, Sanju Verma, you need to start off now. Come on. The floor is yours. Please go on. The floor is hers now. You have to let her respond. Go on.
Is that the PFI, Arnab, the fact of the matter is that the PFI, the Campus Front of India, the SDPI, the Satya Sarni, the Muslim Women's Front, all these outfits are hardcore radicalized Islamist outfits. And the fact of the matter is that just like Jharkhand, when the BJP was in power, Jharkhand banned the PFI. Now Yogi Adityanath has written to the Home Ministry. Uttar Pradesh has sought a ban on PFI and its affiliates. And I'm sure that anyone who's shielding the PFI or SDPI in Kerala will finally have to meet their match in the NIA. The NIA is investigating many cases where the PFI and SDPI are involved. The PFI and SDPI are involved in the Bhima Koregaon riots. The PFI SDPI is involved in the anti-CAA riots. The PFI SDPI is involved in the violence in Bengaluru in August 2020 at KJ Halli and DJ Halli. The PFI and SDPI are involved in that infamous Jisha gang rape and murder case. The PFI and the SDPI say that we are neo-socialist movement aimed to
democratic organizations.
And
the SDPI and the PFI challenge the RSS and the
Taslim Rahmani responding to her.
Come on the democratic floor and fight the elections on the basis of
BJP and SDPI.
Under the watch of the Election Commission of
BJP and SDPI now.
Lady has no information about Bhima Koregaon.
These guys are a bunch of
they have a recorded HMV record.
You guys are
She
a
has
bunch
only
of
an HMV record. Only PFI. Keep on renting PFI. The BJP and RSS need one icon. You need only one icon to terrorize the Hindu brothers of the country. You don't have any argument. You don't have any information.
In 2018.
You are unleashing terror in the country for last 95 years. You have a history of 95 years of unleashing terror in the country.
Let me tell you one more thing.
Hindu brothers, dividing the country, polarizing the society, utilizing it for the political community. You have created so many radical organizations. Even the international bodies have termed you and RSS as a right-wing radicalized organization, which is a hardcore organization. Every international agency knows you very well.
Involved in the killing of Nandu Krishna, Nasir.
Now you are both not stopping. Sanju, I want to cross-question. Sanju, I want to cross-question. Sanju, I want to cross-question with your permission and with the permission of all the panelists tonight. I want to cross-question Taslim Rahmani for a minute. Taslim Rahmani, don't be so scared of me. Don't be so scared of me, Taslim Rahmani. And Shantanu and Vinay, I'm sorry to keep you waiting, but I want to cross-question Taslim Rahmani. Viewers, we will now cross-question Taslim Rahmani live tonight. Taslim Rahmani. Okay, now Sanju, allow me to proceed. Taslim Rahmani. Yeah. Shantanu, you are witness to this cross-examination. Taslim Rahmani, I want to ask you, and you can give short replies, please. Short replies. Shantanu, I insist he gives short replies tonight, Binay. When you went to Turkey, the nation wants to know.
Keep your question
whether,
short, please.
When you were meeting all the radicalized groups there, were you meeting them as a member of the PFI or the SDPI or both?
Number one, this debate is not about Turkey. Number two, the so-called radical organization, they have already sued you and the Nordic
Shantanu is stumbled.
You must be aware of that.
My God. But Arnab, I have a small request. Arnab, I have a small request.
I'm not afraid of being sued anymore, don't you know that?
Arnab, I have a small request.
Shantanu, what's your request? What's your request?
I know.
Yeah, I
now
think
you have become habitual of getting so many suits upon you. I know.
PFI will soon be banned, and I'm sure Yogi Adityanath will take the lead. Don't give stage to people like Tasneem Rahmani, who got 200 votes, who have no people support, It's a terrorist organization. We know it's a terrorist organization. Still today, in Jharkhand it's banned, and Binay ji, who's expert on PFI, will tell us. I think you should not give stage to Tasneem Rahmani.
Do you know the grounds of that ban?
With folded hands, I'm requesting you, Arnab, don't give legitimacy to people like Tasneem Rahmani, who are rejected by people, who went to election, don't even get 200 votes, heckle people who are supported by left, who are supported by Congress. Don't give him platform. Your channel is too big for someone like Tasneem Rahmani.
Do you have any argument on the subject today?
Okay, now here's no. I tell you, Shantanu, sometimes, Shantanu, okay, I understand the point. I bring Binay in also now. I have my next question to you. I have my next question now. Tasneem Rahmani, please enjoy the next question. Please enjoy the next question, Tasneem Rahmani. My next question, Binay, my next question to Tasneem Rahmani is this. Mr. Rahmani, on the 14th of February 2019, 9 workers of the PFI and SDPI were found guilty in the murder of CPM worker Narot Dilipan. True or false?
False.
False.
Then you have so many things false to present to the people. All of
if the SDPI, my second question to you is, on July 2018, allow me to proceed. Allow me to proceed. Allow me to proceed.
Will you allow me?
Allow me to proceed. My next question is the following. On July 2018, Binoy, Kerala's top SDPI leaders, your state president, vice president, general secretary and district president were arrested in connection with the murder of an SFI activist. True or false? True or false?
It is false because they were arrested and released the subsequent day. They were released the subsequent day. That's why the old drama.
Okay, okay. Then on 18th,
the very next day, everybody.
On 18 January, you're a serial offender. On 18 January 2020, a terror module was busted, Binay, with the arrest of 6 members of the SDPI who had allegedly attempted to kill an RSS worker and a BJP MP for taking a pro-CA stand.
Your agency.
Is that true or not? Is that true or not?
So,
how many denials on television tonight, Binay? He says, I am not from SDPI, I am not from the PFI.
Your agencies are
they're all the same.
Used and make themselves a ridiculous lot after
don't doubt on the credential of Mr. Tasneem Rahmani. He went to Turkey just because in Turkey there is a famous breed of murgi, Turkey murgi. And he just went to Turkey to taste that turkey murgi in Turkey. There was no relation of any funding or such. The fact of the matter is that Tasneem Rahmani is member of a terror outfit which is going to be banned very soon by government of this country. And you know, Arnab, what is the relation of PFI with other terror outfits? A gentleman called Rona Wilson, who was the prime accused of plotting the Prime Minister assassination, he was lobbying to get the ban lifted in Jharkhand on PFI. So PFI was connected to Bhima Koregaon. And when you say Arnab, PFI is connected to terrorist organization, it is a false statement. The truth is, PFI is a terrorist organization. It is a bachelor degree in terrorism, while ISIS is a master degree. PFI is a bachelor course in terrorism. The question who is sending PFI, the answer is Congress. The Congress party is sending PFI. Congress party is an official ally of SDPI. They fought.
Atikur, others also in the debate. Open debate now. Open debate now. But I think
again he said failure of central government.
But there are too many incidents, Asghar Khan. Asghar Khan and Sanju.
Now what is the role of our central government if any terrorist organization is functioning here in our country? What is the role of our central government? Again, this is a failure of central government. This is a clear failure of central government.
Will you condemn the accused in the Jisha gang rape who were closely connected with the SDPI?
Where is our central government? Where is the
hacking of the arms of Professor
Home Minister?
Joseph?
Where is our administration?
The killing of RSS worker Shyama Prasad in 2018?
Terrorist organization is functioning here in our country, then where is our government?
Will you condemn the killing
of
Vivek Kumar?
If they are getting funding, they are getting funding at the stance of the government. If they are doing anything wrong at the stance of central government, if they are doing anything wrong at the stance of our administration,
the point being made is Atikur and Ratan Sharda now on the debate. No, she makes some strong points. No, the point being made here is I think we all need to appreciate the fact. We need to appreciate the fact we can't keep debating about this. Ratan Sharda, the PFI threat cannot be played down anymore. If the PFI cannot be taken lightly, and the LDF in Kerala cannot refuse to act on it because they see everything through the prism of vote bank politics. They must admit the PFI is a threat and it should be banned. We've been pussyfooting on this issue, Ratan Sharda. We've been pussyfooting on this issue.
PFI claiming that Kerala government has no guts to take on PFI. It has no guts to take on any extremist person. They sit on the side when morchas are taken out.
That is essentially the argument of people like Atikur.
Like they are living in 1921 in medieval times, and police stands by. When the RSS person is had, the police stands aside. So the state government has no role at all. Is state government total failure? Is state government no guts to face these people who are spreading violence? You can keep on blaming the central, but what is the role of state government? Why are they nurturing extremism?
Atikur and Shantanu.
Ratanji, in all fairness, Arnab, in all fairness, I challenge the BJP and the RSS to come on the democratic field, face the SDPI in elections under the watch of the Election Commission. If you have the guts to
and otherwise RSS BJP worker will be killed. What kind of argument is this?
Oh God,
Nandu Krishna,
joke of the century.
Nandu Krishna, the 22-year-old young Karyakarta was RSS
The judiciary does not function on your conjectures. Shantanu, your wins and fancies do not hold ground.
Nandu Krishna, he's heckled to death, sir. He's heckled to death. We're not talking fiction. We are not talking fiction. A young 22-year-old boy got killed, and you're not feeling. You are not even feeling bad about it.
Don't go by your whims and fancies.
Okay, so a 22-year-old young boy, Nandu Krishna, got heckled by 8 SDPI men, and you're not even bothered. You're not even bothered. They were openly threatening the boy. It's recorded on the video. They were making provocative slogans, and left government turned a blind eye. The same SDPI, Congress has a clandestine tie-up in Karnataka. Jharkhand government is trying to overturn the ban. The ban is still on. The ban on SDPI, the ban on PFI is still on. The people of Campus Front of India are still arrested in UP.
SDPI
And you are still not bothered? What kind of heartless person are you? A 22-year-old boy got heckled to death by 8
from the land of Karnataka. Since Mr. Shantanu has raised a question with respect to Karnataka, let me tell you, sir, I think you're not aware of the recent statement made by the CLP leader of the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee, Shri Siddaramaiah ji, who said that BJP are the sympathizers of the PFI. That is why they have made it their B team and they don't want to ban it.
Come on.
Sir, in the state of Karnataka,
I'm sure you know
it is ruled
in
by
Karnataka,
BJP. You've not set the pan.
Congress
Why haven't you banned it? Why haven't you kept the promises? In the BJP, they expect left government to ban the PFI, whereas the BJP government in various states you've not banned. So this is the hypocrisy. Hypocrisy की भी सीमा होती है, Shantanu ji. Many of the BJP states holding power in Karnataka and various other states, you've not banned the PFI. You've not banned the
within no time, I'm sure Yogi Adityanath will take the lead. State by state, PFI will be banned. SDPI will be banned.
You set a precedent.
A question to Binay Singh. Binay, can you explain, because you've researched a lot into the PFI? Binay, just a question to you. Is it true or not that there are innumerable cases of PFI members joining the Islamic State? Is it true or not? Repeatedly. PFI goes to ISIS. Comes to PFI, goes to ISIS. Goes to ISIS.
Totally falsehood. You are making a false statement.
PFI is a factor.
How many? You want me to tell? You want me to quote? You want me to quote? Binay, I think I should quote.
Totally false. It's a propaganda. It's a false propaganda. False propaganda.
Uttar Pradesh has written to the Home Minister to ban PFI.
Chopping a professor's hand is a propaganda. Killing the RSS guy is a propaganda.
There are 70,000
RSS people chained and they are paraded by butchers. That is a propaganda. That is your parade, the PFI 26 January parade. Is that a propaganda? You're going to Turkey and getting funds is a propaganda. You're going to Turkey and meeting the banned terrorist organizations. Is that a propaganda? Your people have joined ISIS. Is that a propaganda? You were connected to the Bhima Koregaon riots. Is that a propaganda? What is propaganda, Mr. Taslim Rahmani? You yourself is a propaganda. Mr. Taslim Rahmani is a propaganda. And Mr. Taslim Rahmani, be ready.
Sanju and Taslim Rahmani. Sanju, why don't you just ban it? And by the way, viewers, he said that these are falsehoods. In September 2017, a former PFI member who joined the ISIS in 2016 was reportedly killed. In 2017, SDPI PFI member Shajir Abdullah was killed in Afghanistan. I want to ask my last question tonight, my Brahmastra tonight. I want to ask this question to Taslim Rahmani. Taslim Rahmani, be quiet. Be quiet and don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, and even if you're afraid, don't show it on television.
Only you are speaking.
People get to see Taslim Rahmani in 2017.
Now, who knows that who is afraid?
An SDPI PFI member called Shajir Abdullah was killed in Afghanistan. Can you tell me why, if you are a political party, why did a SDPI member called Shajir Abdullah go to Afghanistan, and why was he killed there? No, let him answer. Why? He went for a picnic to Afghanistan?
He do not belong to SDPI.
He went for a picnic?
He does not belong to SDPI. He does not belong to SDPI.
Yeah. Oh, of course.
You will until your last breath, Arnab. I challenge you, until your last breath, you can never prove any link with any terror outfit of the world with PFI. I challenge you, and I challenge everybody. I challenge everybody in the country. You can never prove any link of any terror outfit with PFI.
Sudha Bhardwaj, Vernon Gonsalves. These are people involved in the Bhima Koregaon riots. No, you will not condemn them. You will not condemn
I will condemn Kapil Mishra. I will condemn Anurag Thakur. I will condemn Anurag Thakur. I will condemn Kapil Mishra. No.
Oh my God, you will not condemn the Bhopla massacre.
Even the courts are approving them. Even the courts are approving them. Why shall I condemn Disha Verma? Why shall I? Then you tell me one reason. The court has granted bail to her. The honorable court has granted bail to her. Why shall I condemn? Why shall I condemn the Virara Rao? I will condemn Kapil Mishra.
Ladies and gentlemen, and finally, ladies and gentlemen, and finally, ladies and gentlemen, listen. Taslim Rahmani, Mr. Rahmani, remember when you came to my studio one day and you looked at me and you said, Arnab, he looked at me, let me tell you one thing, Shantanu, he looked at me and he said, Arnab, I am going to take 25 million people. He said, I'll take 25 million people and go to Ayodhya. And then he won some 150 seats in the Lok Sabha election.
I think you have forgot the counting. It was 2.5. You forgot.
25 million people.
It was 2.5.
You couldn't get 2.5 votes in the Lok Sabha election, sir. I thank you.